Hey guys, welcome back. Today's electronic system of cars relies on sensors attached to warning lights and symbols on the dashboard. Dashboard warning lights, also known as instrument panel lights or indicator lights, are visual signals displayed on a vehicle's dashboard to alert the driver of specific issues or conditions that require attention. Now most drivers are familiar with the common lights like check engine, low oil pressure, or low fuel, so we can skip those and go right into the ones that little more confusing to us. There are two main types of dashboard warning lights, available in red and orange color. A red light indicates a severe problem with your car. If this appears, you should check your car immediately. An orange or yellow dashboard warning light means the engine management system. You can continue to drive a car with an orange dashboard warning light, but you should visit your local service center as soon as possible to repair it. If the lights are blue or green, it means system is on and operating. Okay friends, we will start from warning symbols. Brake warning light. This sign tells you that your handbrake or parking brake is on. It's a warning that you need to turn it off before you try to drive. Moreover, brakes is most important feature of your vehicle. If your car's brakes don't work right, you shouldn't drive it. Oil pressure warning light. This sign means that the oil pressure has gone down, which means that the lubrication is low or gone. To fix this, check the oil amount in the car. Engine temperature warning light. This sign means your engine is running on too high temperature. It means your engine is overheating. Hence, when this light showed during driving, pull your car over side of the road for safety and shut down your engine, wait for cool down. Battery charge warning light. This sign means that the car's charging device either doesn't have enough power or isn't charging right. If you saw this sign, check your battery or alternator. Transmission temperature. This light indicates that the engine temperature has exceeded normal limits. If you see this sign during driving, it could mean that the fuel for the transmission is too hot, which caused the transmission to break down. Transmission warning lights in modern cars come on in different colors based on how bad the problem is. A yellow sign means the issue is less urgent, while a red sign means it's very critical and you should get off the road immediately. Okay friends, now let's move on safety symbols. Tire pressure warning light. This light indicated that the pressure is low in one of the tires. Continued driving with low pressure tires will cause the tires to overheat and fail. Reduced power warning. The reduced power warning light in an automobile usually signals a powertrain or engine issue. This warning light indicates that the vehicle's onboard computer system has detected an engine performance affecting malfunction. Seat belt indicator. A car's seat belt indicator alerts passengers to buckle up. It promotes driver and passenger seatbelt use. Anti-lock brake system warning light. Cars' ABS warning lights usually signal a problem. The ABS prevents wheels from locking up when braking, keeping the driver in control. The ABS warning light usually indicates a system breakdown. Malfunction indicator lamp. A small yellow engine-shaped light indicates that the car's electronic system has detected a problem that needs to be checked. Exhaust system warning light. This light shows up on the dashboard of a diesel car when soot from the exhaust has reached high levels. LED headlamp warning light. These warning lights are designed to alert the driver when there is a problem with the LED headlights, such as a bulb failure or a fault in the headlight circuitry. Forward safety warning light. Modern vehicles' forward safety warning lights advise drivers of potential safety dangers or difficulties with the vehicle's forward-facing safety systems. It depicts safety issues with symbols or iconography. All-wheel drive warning light. When this light comes on, the car has found a problem with the AWD system, or the front and back wheels are not the same size. Electric power steering warning light. Electric power steering warning light indicates that it could be a battery or alternator issue, so check all battery connections for wear and damage. If you've recently jump-started or disconnected your car, the EPS light may be on. Electronic parking brake warning light. Your parking brake is on when your braking system warning light is on. Even if your parking brake is off, you should get your brakes examined if the dashboard alert is red or orange. Electronic stability control indicator light. When it detects a sudden loss of control, such speeding around a turn, DSC stabilizes your car. When you start your automobile, it activates when it senses you're losing control. Immobilizer indicator light. If the immobilizer indicator light blinks, the system doesn't recognize the key's coding. Flip the ignition switch to lock 0, remove the key, then flip it back to on 2. Immobilizers prevent car theft. Lane keeping assist system. Lane keeping alert simulates rumble strips with steering wheel vibrations. You can enable alert, aid, or both modes. Driver alert warns drivers of ongoing lane changes in a warning area to pull over and rest. Downhill brake control indicator light. Downhill brake control DBC helps drivers descend steep hills without pressing the brake pedal. On regular roads, disable DBC. Driving over speed bumps or abrupt curves may accidentally awaken it from standby mode. Ice warning light. The ice warning light is snowflake-shaped light that indicates frigid temperatures. This one turns on and stays on when the road freezes. It's a simple reminder to use caution in cold conditions. High beam assist indicator. High beam assist is a function that automatically adjusts the headlamp range switches between high beam and low beam depending on the brightness of detected vehicles and certain road conditions. Front fog indicator light. Fog lights have been added to some types of cars by automakers. Fog lights are used to drive clearly in fog. Most of the time, these lights are placed lower than your normal driving lights so that light doesn't bounce back at you. Cruise indicator light. Cruise set indicator light has two colors. The indicator light illuminates amber when the cruise control system is activated. The indicator light illuminates green when a cruising speed has been set. High beam indicator light. The high beam indicator will light when the headlight high beams are switched on. Do not use high beam when there are other vehicles. Using high beam could obstruct the other driver's vision. So guys, that's it for today's video. For more details, read your manual. If you like our video, then hit the like button and subscribe us for more. Safe driving, good luck!